Hello friends, welcome to Biology and Career.
Today's topic is nucleus, which is the largest cell organelle. I have discussed the location of nucleus in the lecture of Basics of Cells. If you have not seen, then check the description box. I have mentioned the link of that lecture in the description box. In this lecture video, I will describe the structure and function of nucleus, which is the most inner part of a cell. Structure of nucleus. There are four parts in the nucleus: nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, chromatin network, and nucleolus. But the nuclear membrane is absent in prokaryotic cell. If we see these parts in a diagram, then it will be clear for you. See, this is the diagram of a nucleus. First, the nuclear membrane, that is the outer layer of a nucleus, also known as the nuclear envelope. It is the membrane barrier that separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm. Now, the nuclear pores. These are the nuclear pores. These are lined in the nuclear envelope. This allows small molecules and ions to pass or diffuse into or out of the nucleus. Now, the nucleoplasm. It is a transparent and alkaline semifluid in which chromatin material and nucleoli is present. Now, the chromatin network. These are the chromatin network which are situated in the nucleoplasm. The chromatin network make chromosome during cell division and contain DNA. And the most inner part of nucleus is nucleolus, which is dense structure. The nucleolus disappear during cell division and reformed on the nuclear chromosome at telophase. Function of nucleus. Nucleus regulates the activities of a cell: growth, metabolism. During cell division, the cells divide. That's why our growth occurs. Metabolism. Through controlling synthesis of particular enzyme, the nucleus maintains cellular metabolism. Point 2. Nucleus carries genetic materials like DNA or RNA which contain hereditary information. The genetic material is DNA, which is situated in the nucleus. The DNA contain gene and gene contain the characters. The characters which is transmitted from generation to generation. That's why the DNA contain hereditary information. Responsible for protein synthesis through the synthesis of RNA. Through transcription process, the RNA synthesis occurs from DNA, and through translational process, protein synthesis occurs from RNA in the cytoplasm. The RNA synthesis occurs in nucleus and protein synthesis occurs in cytoplasm. Point 4. Nucleolus, which is the site of ribosome production. The ribosome production occurs in the nucleolus of nucleus. Point 5. Selectively transportation of regulatory factors and energy molecules through nuclear pore. Through the nuclear pore, which is situated in the nuclear envelope, selectively transportation of regulatory factors or energy molecules pass through the nuclear pore into or out of the nucleus.